Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know you already know what this video is, but today we are setting up my February bullet journal, so let's get right into that. I always have February be a romantic-ish theme because honestly, how could you not? Well, for me, my anniversary is in February on top of Valentine's Day, so this month is full of romantic love for me. I think this month should be full of love whether it's romantic or not. Spread love to your family, your friends, and yourself. Not to be cheesy or anything. I'm pointing this out early and I'll talk about it a little bit later. I spelled February wrong 3 times in this video and I did not catch it until way after. So yeah, I apologize if that really bothers you. It bothers me too. I want to mention that not everything you see in this video is 100% original. I can't hunt down the true owners of these ideas because I got inspired off of Pinterest. However, I'm linking my bullet journal Pinterest board in the description. I usually save all the stuff I get inspiration from there so you can really see where I get all of my ideas. And then on top of that, I'll link the products down below in the description as well. You may have noticed a different name on the intro to this video, and that is because I am rebranding. If you want to hear more about that, then you can watch the video I posted before this one. But basically, I'm moving from my original roots, which was gaming, so Made in a Warfare is no more. So not only my YouTube has changed, but my social links have as well. I am now Sammi Nadine on Twitter and Instagram, if you're looking to find me. Also, I know that I haven't done any voiceovers in any of my recent videos with bullet journaling, and that's basically because of how busy I am. Adding the voiceover adds a decent amount of time to the editing process. That is already long. Too often I get these videos out too late because of how busy life is right now, and more recently I've been faced with the option of, do I get it out without a voiceover or not at all? And since I already spent so much time filming it, I usually just try to put it out even without a voiceover. But I'm actually interested in hearing what you guys think about that. Do you like the voiceover more, or do you like having like more of an aesthetic vibe with the music and everything? Let me know in the comments because I don't really know what is better. Gosh, this video is turning into a bunch of announcements and me just talking about life, not the actual bullet journaling, but if you think I sound better in this video, it's because I have a lot better equipment. I am starting a podcast soon, and so I have podcast grade equipment versus using my headphones, which is what I did before. So yeah, I'm really excited. I have the headphones on, I have the mic stand. This is pretty fun. I'm really loving it. And then finally, to address the mistakes I made in this video, obviously you can see that I spelled February wrong multiple times. Apparently, I don't know how to spell February. That's news to me. And there's a couple reasons why I make these mistakes frequently in these videos, and that's because I think personally it's the angle of which I work when I film. It's not just sitting at a table, doing it like I normally do. There's a bright light shining down on me, there's equipment everywhere, and I don't have a great setup for filming a table flat lay like this. My tripod is not the best. So it has a lot of really weird things going on that you don't see behind the scenes. It's very fragile, so if I bump the table, it could all come crashing down, really. And so I have to work from the middle of the table, and that requires me to lean over the table in a really weird position. So it's not the best position for drawing or detailed work at all. So I'm gonna blame that for all of my mistakes that you see in this video. It's not it's not a great environment. Hopefully soon I can invest in a tripod that would actually work for this kind of setup and this kind of recording. And just on top of that, I'm not perfect at all. I don't consider myself a great artist. I have such shaky hands, and my hands get tired really fast. I'm not perfect at all. My skills are a lot higher actually in painting than drawing, and I never really enjoyed drawing that much. I kind of consider this different because it's more doodling, but still, this is not where my best skills are in art either. I'm not trying to be an art influencer or a teacher. I don't think I'm good enough at any of that to tell people to follow my example. I'm not trying to be an art influencer or a teacher. I don't really think I'm good enough at any of this to tell people to follow my example. I like making videos to encourage other people to be a friend and a mutual to others. I want to show that art doesn't have to be perfect, you know, you can make mistakes, and I like showing how to cover up those mistakes because that's what I do a lot. Alright guys, I hope this video was somewhat interesting for you. Let me know if you prefer voiceovers or not in the comments. I hope you have an awesome February full of romantic love or self-love. Bye.